Bird dog. The bird dog exercise works the abs, chest and shoulders. Let's check it out. The bird dog exercise works the erector spinae, rectus abdominis and glutes. Place your hands and knees on a mat on the floor. Keep your back parallel to the ground. Do not arch your back. This is the starting position. Exhale and stretch your left arm forward and your right leg backward. Hold the position for a second. Inhale and bring your arm and leg back to the starting position. Repeat with the right arm and left leg. And that's how you do a bird dog.